Your Andemes printer is compatible with Digital Factory v11 RIP software. We've profiled both the A3 Mini and the 24-inch dual XP600 printer. Let's see how to use it. After installing Digital Factory, open the software on your computer where you'll be presented with the setup screen. Click Next. Then Next again. Followed by Install Printer. We've used the A2 AIN XP600 device driver, which is included in the cheaper desktop edition of Digital Factory. Select the device as shown, and then press OK. Press Next. The files will now download from the internet. Press Next again. From the Port Setup menu, select TCP/IP Network Device. For the IP address, enter 127.0.0.1 as shown. The port number should be 9100. Press OK. Followed by Next. And finally, click Finish. We can now close the compass window. And to stop it from appearing again, from the Help menu, uncheck Launch Compass on Startup. Now, close Digital Factory once for the settings to take effect. Reopen Digital Factory after a few seconds. We now need to set up Digital Factory to support our printer. In my example, I'll be using the Andemes A3 Mini. From the Devices menu, select Manage Print Media. Select this icon to import the media package. And locate the DTF film media file. These files are available either on your USB flash drive if you're based in the United Kingdom, or from Andemes Direct. Click Open. You'll see the following film roll sizes have been imported into Digital Factory. Click Close. Back up to the Devices menu, we need to select Manage Print Modes. Select this print mode and remove it. We cannot use this default print mode. Click Yes to confirm. Choose the Import Print Mode Package button. Select these three dots and choose the Print Mode Package file. Select all and press Import. Click Close to finish. Finally, in the Queue menu, select Manage Queues. Choose the Import Queue icon as shown. Press Browse. We now need to locate the folder where our files are kept. Select the Print Queues option and press OK to import. Select Yes. Select this queue, which was installed by default, and remove it from the list. Click Yes to confirm. Finally, click the Close button to close the Queue Manager window. Digital Factory is now ready to use. I'll briefly show you how to use the software. Firstly, you will see at the top 4 queues. The DTF Gang Sheets queue is ideal for when you have a large number of images that you want to automatically place onto your film roll. Before starting, choose your roll size from this menu. My film is 33 centimeters wide, so I'll select 32 centimeters as we should always leave a small margin. To load in our file, right-click the queue as shown and select Import File. I have some example images, so I'll select all of those now and press Open. One by one, Digital Factory will automatically import your files and begin placing them in the optimal position on your film to minimize wastage. You do not need to worry about a white layer or spot color in your artwork. This is handled automatically. When you're ready to print, simply select all the files and then press the Print button. If you do not want to automatically place images onto the film, choose the DTF freeform queue. From here you can import as normal, but each file will be placed on its own, as shown. This example is just a single image, containing lots of other images within it. This icon is useful for centering designs on the film and is useful to make sure you're not too close to the edge. Give it a try. I'll import an additional file to show what happens in this queue. As you can see, the file has simply been placed underneath the other. As I keep importing files, they will keep being placed under each other until you have finished adding all images. The DTF freeforms queue will only print one image at a time, rather than all at once. To print, you simply select the image that you want and click the print icon. If you have designs for lighter garments, the DTF for light garments queue is ideal. This queue works in the exact same way as the others, however it uses less white ink, which reduces your cost per print and also prints quicker, without sacrificing quality. This is because you do not need as much of a white base layer when pressing onto white or light garments. If you want to print white ink only, for images that do not have any colors in the design, you can load the file in here instead. This queue has been designed to place more white ink down onto the film without saturating it, which gives a much brighter finish.
We hope that this tutorial has been useful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact Andemes support. Thank you.